أصبحنا وأصبح الملك لله والحمد لله لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له له الملك وله الحمد وهو على كل شيء قدير رب أسألك خير ما في هذا اليوم وخير ما بعده وأعوذ بك من شر ما في هذا اليوم وشر ما بعده رب أعوذ بك من الكسل والسوء الكبر وأعوذ بك من عذاب في النار وعذاب في القبر اللهم بك أصبحنا وبك أمسينا وبك نحيا وبك نموت وإليك النشور اللهم أنت ربي لا إله إلا أنت خلقتني وأنا عبدك وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت أعوذ بك من شر ما صنعت أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت.
Up next, squat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Up next, side leg raises in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Rest time. Up next, side leg raises in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Rest time. Up next, the windmill in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to MOIS Distance Learning Daily Broadcast. I hope you had a great weekend. Again, you will be watching a week long of fun and interesting facts about almost anything, only here at Did You Know That Time? So stay tuned. Our big question this morning is, what happens when you swallowed a gum? Almost everyone has swallowed a piece of gum. But few kids have ever needed a doctor because of it. You might have heard that swallowed gum stays in your stomach for 7 years. Well, that's not true. Watch this video and you'll get the answer.
You probably heard the rumor on the playground back in the day. If you swallow chewing gum, it'll stay in your stomach for 7 years. So is it true? Let's find out. Before we get into what happens when you swallow gum, we need to go over normal digestion of food, which can be broken down into 3 basic parts. First things first, there's the mechanical processing. Your teeth and tongue work together to crush the food you eat into tiny bits. Throughout the process, muscle movements usher the food through your digestive tract, and stomach muscles churn your chewed up food with digestive juices. There are also enzymes in your saliva, stomach juices, and intestines that go to work on this munched up food. These enzymes kick chemical reactions into high gear to break down fats from vegetable oils or cheese, carbohydrates from sugary sweets or starchy pastas, and proteins from meat or nuts into nutrients your body can use. Then you've got the stomach's famous acid. Gastric acid is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and salts in your stomach. This harsh brew dissolves chewed food into a slurry so your intestines can handle it. Whatever's left gets flushed down the toilet. That's how digestion works when you swallow food. So what happens when you swallow not food, like gum? Chewing gum has a few basic ingredients: sugar or an artificial sweetener, flavoring, softening and bulking agents to give the right texture, and the rubber gum base, which makes the gum gummy. Rubbers, whether natural or synthetic, are polymers, very large molecules made up of repeating units. Chemists are whizzes at making all kinds of polymers with various properties. One example is what's known as butyl rubber, which has the ideal chewiness for gum. This synthetic rubber allows us to make chewing gum and even inner tubes without destroying rubber tree forests. Thanks, chemistry! So back to the big playground question. Can gum survive the steps of digestion for years and years and years? So let's go through the steps. First, mechanical. You already know that chewing doesn't crush and shred gum into tiny bits. That's kind of the point. So should you swallow the gum, it'll go down in one big wad. Most of the molecules in gum are carbohydrates, oils, and alcohols. On their own, enzymes break these down just like food. But your body doesn't have an enzyme for the rubber polymers, regardless of whether they're natural or synthetic. Lastly then, stomach acid is strong, but it doesn't dissolve the rubber polymers that gums are made of. In fact, rubber is very good at shielding from acids in general. That's one reason why we wear rubber gloves for protection. So the answer to our question is yes, part of the gum does survive digestion. But no, that doesn't mean the gum you swallowed in grade school is still there. That's because you eat plenty of things your body can only partly digest. Even though you don't break down the rubber polymers, your body has no problem moving that lump of gum through your digestive system and out the other end within a day or two. So this old wives' tale doesn't need to stick around any longer.
Why do we have dreams when we sleep? Dreams can be entertaining, disturbing, or downright bizarre. We all dream, even if we do not remember it the next day. But why do we dream, and what do they mean anyway? Dreams can happen at any time during sleep, but you have your most vivid dreams during a phase called REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, when your brain is most active. Some experts say we dream at least 4 to 6 times a night. And there are 2 kinds of dreams. The first one, lucid dream. A lucid dream is one in which you know you're dreaming. Research shows that lucid dreaming comes with a boost of activity in the parts of the brain that are usually restful during sleep. Lucid dreaming is a brain state between REM sleep and being awake. Isn't that weird? And the second type of dream is nightmare. Nightmare is a bad dream. It's common in both children and adults. Often, it happens because of stress, conflict, fear, trauma, emotional problems, medications, and illness. Keep in mind that no matter how scary a nightmare is, it's not real, and most likely it won't happen to you in real life. So, why do we dream then? There are many theories about why we dream, but no one knows for sure. Some researchers say dreams have no purpose or meaning. Others say we need dreams for our mental, emotional, and physical health. On the other hand, dreams in your sleep may not be real, but for sure, with the help of your family and friends and our guidance in your academic journey, your dreams of having a bright future will become a reality in no time. Because here at MOIS, we make education fun and exciting with distance learning. Thank you for watching. See you all again tomorrow.